Good morning. It is now almost 10:30 a.m. on a Sunday. Yesterday night honestly was a massive feast. We had late night snacks. We had McNuggets, spring rolls, burger, chips, Coke, donuts. Right now I'm just waking up feeling super bloated, like lack of energy, and the only thing that is making me feel sort of happy right now is the fact that there is a nice sunlight coming through the home. Other than that, today I think I'm going to focus on self-care for the first half of the day. I literally just woke up and I think that self-care is super important these days, and especially during lockdown happening in Sydney right now, it will really help with nourishing your mind, your body, your soul, everything. Anyway, the first thing I want to do this morning to smash up my self-care routine is to actually do some exercise. I know that when you start doing exercise, your body starts releasing little hormones and it makes you feel happier and makes your day better. So I'm going to do a Chloe Ting workout today. Yeah, last year this time I did her like full body pump workout, and I'm not gonna lie, my whole body hurts so bloody much, but that means it's good for you, right? Hopefully. So I'm just gonna search for her. Okay, she has like a 20-minute full body workout. Welcome to my bathroom. We have made it here. This is like the reward after the painful workout, and I'm honestly very excited to fully get cleaned and not smell like sweat anymore. So I also really like to listen to music or YouTube videos whilst I'm showering back there, or I actually watch YouTube vlogs. Like I just listen to their voice when they're talking whilst I'm showering. Yeah, I don't know if that's kind of creepy, but it makes me relaxed. There is this study cafe kind of jazz piano playlist that I've been really liking, and I'm just gonna play it. All right, let's get showering. Alright, I just finished my shower and I feel rejuvenated, reborn, re-energized, re-everything. So before I get onto my skincare, I wanted to show you guys what scrub and face wash that I've been using. Whenever I work out, I always make sure to do a face scrub afterwards. I only work out like twice a week, so yeah, I do face scrub twice a week. This is the Sukin one. It is all natural and I think it's vegan as well. This is the Super Green Detoxifying Facial Scrub. So it's actually got a lot of green ingredients in it. Like you got kale, parsley, pineapple, licorice, root extracts, bamboo to help exfoliate. And most important to me, these are very, very affordable. I honestly love the quality of the product that you get in return for the price. And on days at a gym, I also use the L'Oreal Men Expert Pure Charcoal Daily Face Wash. I know what you guys are thinking, it is a men's face wash, but I swear because of the charcoal ingredients, it cleans your skin super well and it feels very clean afterwards. And because obviously I have a lot of excess oil when I'm working out and stuff like that, I want it to be very clean. Alright, so moving on to my skincare routine, I thought I'd share with you guys what I do on my face. So the first product that I use is the Laneige Cream Skin Water. I don't know what's called water or milk, but basically this works as a toner and a moisturizer, 2-in-1. And some people can get away with just having 2 layers of this on the skin and it's fully moisturized, but for myself, I like to go in with cream afterwards. Put some here, and it honestly looks like milk, like diluted milk. Maybe like skim milk or light milk. And then I'm just gonna let this dry. I like to do this when I want it to dry. Now I'm going to use the Sukin Signature Moisturizing Night Cream. This one is also very affordable and it's naturally created with no petroleum, mineral oils, synthetic fragrances, animal derivatives, artificial colors. I use night cream in the morning because right now it's winter in Sydney and it's super while dry, so I just want to get as much moisture onto my face as possible, and I know that the night creams are generally a bit thicker than the day cream. Work my way in motions. And whatever's remaining on my hand, I just do dots onto my under eyes just to, you know, give it a bit of love as well. But at nighttime, my skincare routine is definitely different. So if you guys are interested, let me know and I'll do another skincare video. I also moisturize my body with aloe vera cream. It's been working really well on my skin. It's very hydrating, moisturizing, especially for winter times. And I love the scent of it. A lot of my friends have actually asked me what that cream is because they say it smells really good. Alright, next thing, I'm tackling my hair care, and I'm in my second bathroom right now because I have two in my apartment, and whenever I turn on the light in this bathroom, literally the fan turns on as well. I can't like separate the two, so that's why I'm doing like a voiceover for this segment. But I am basically going to nourish my hair with some hair oils because I dyed it and bleached it, you know, a few months ago to get like a balayage effect, but that never really happened because they kind of screwed it up. And then after that, I will blow dry it with my Dyson Airwrap. I honestly really love my Dyson Airwrap, even though it was $600 AUD. Very expensive for a hairdryer, to be very honest, but I find it to be worth the price because the hairdryer is super lightweight. Usually with the old-fashioned hairdryers, I have to hold it for like, you know, minutes because I have long hair and my arm hurts by the end of it. It's like an arm workout. But with the Dyson Airwrap, honestly, I don't feel like my arm is going to die. And also, I love the styling tools that it comes with. For example, you can curl your hair with it, you can straighten it. There's just like different attachments, and it's honestly been a really good investment for me for my hair because it doesn't use too much heat as well. If you guys would like to see a separate video on my hair care, then let me know in the comments down below. Be very happy to do one. So I'm just gonna make my normal milk tea for breakfast. So I've got a very strong English breakfast tea. Then I've got a packet of Equal, which is like artificial sweetener. And I'm just gonna let this steep for around maybe 5 minutes. I'm just gonna add my full cream milk into here. Just gonna add a little bit to make it taste creamy. It's actually 12 p.m. now, so it's been 1.5 hours since I woke up. For breakfast today, we have the classic PBJ that Hong makes me. There's actually no added sugar to the jam, so yeah, it tastes really good. This is what the finished milk tea looks like, by the way. If you guys have been watching my what I eat in a week / weekend / day videos, you know that this is like kind of like my staple breakfast. I just eat this almost every day. My favorite part is this milk tea where I can put it in a keep cup. Keeps it warm throughout the day, and I can just drink it like, you know, when I'm working. It's been like my love for the past few weeks. I've got this on Amazon, and I can leave the link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this. The next thing on my self-care agenda is to do my nails. As you can see, they look freaking terrible and disgusting, and I need to change that. Previously last year, I was actually doing my own gel nails at home. I got the nail lamp, the gel nail polishes, like got so many colors, but later on I realized that it just took so long to remove the gel from my nails. It took like more than an hour for sure, and I just think it's not worth it. And I've realized like my nails were getting damaged and obviously getting thinner and more sensitive from all that acetone. So now I've just reverted to these normal nail polishes from Revlon. They're not gel and you don't need a lamp, so it's easy to remove, easy to put on. So I'm going to start off by removing the nail polish. So I'm just going to use a home brand like nail polish remover. Doing my nails is very therapeutic for me. It's like a time for only myself, and I can reflect on my own thoughts, or I could watch my own drama. Okay, Hey, so welcome to my bedroom, and right now to kickstart the day, to have a very positive day, I am going to meditate. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't meditate very often. I only meditate, say, when I'm very stressed or feeling anxious, and I know that there are a lot of benefits to meditating regularly, like even 5 or 10 minutes each day can make a big difference apparently. So I'm going to try and make an active effort to do more meditation. So to kickstart my day today, I'm going to be doing this 5-minute guided meditation for anxiety, stress, and worry. I found this one on YouTube, and yeah, I don't have any meditation apps. I don't use Headspace or Calm yet. I might switch to that when I do these more regularly, but for now I think I can find a lot of resources on YouTube. So let's get this started.
This meditation may be done sitting or lying down. And now take a couple of nice long deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling fully and slowly through your mouth.
Alright guys, I have just finished my 5-minute meditation. For some reason, after I do these meditations, I generally feel a bit sleepy and I start dozing off. But right now, after that meditation, I feel more calm and less stressed and worried. And I generally kind of get stressed when I wake up really late. So then I feel like there's not much more time during the day for me to work. I always feel like time is ticking and I want to be able to do as many things as I want in a day. I try to just focus on things that, you know, make me feel more positive. So like exercising and showering and just doing my nails, meditating, all that stuff has just really helped me have a more calm and positive morning. So I feel like I am ready to finally start the day and get some work done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very fun for me to film, and honestly, it just felt like I was bringing you guys along with me when I was doing this self-care morning routine. If you guys would like to see more of this type of content, then definitely let me know in the comments down below. Especially during this COVID lockdown, I hope that you guys are staying safe and take care, and thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more of this content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!